How you can maximize the amount of fun you have while camping. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. When you are camping, a necessity for your gear is a survival knife. This is the most important part of your camping gear. Buy a high-quality survival knife, not just the cheapest you can find, your life may depend on it. These knives are all very similar, they have a long blade serrated on one side and a hollow handle. Inside the handle you can carry fishing line, hooks, a compass, and matches as a small survival kit. While you think nature will provide enough wood for your fire to continue burning, it may be wet, which will not burn. Bring along some dry wood and store it where it remain dry. Many people are deterred from camping because they have to sleep on the ground, but you do not have to be uncomfortable when you go camping. These are far more comfortable than the ground to sleep on, and will keep you high and dry as well. Remember to bring along wilderness-friendly activities. Playing cards, board games and fishing poles can make for lots of fun. If your camping group includes children, consider bringing extra entertainment options. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.